So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of lottery investment website. So this is a complete and new lottery investment website script and it's completely new in market. So in this video I will guide you completely about this website. I will show you how we can buy lotteries, how we can control this site from admin panel, and we will also see some other features of this site. So if you want to buy this script, do contact us on WhatsApp, and if you need this complete website with domain name and hosting where you don't need to do anything, so we will build this complete site for you. Just contact us and get your website, and the WhatsApp link is in the description, and you can also join our Telegram channel. So let's start this video without wasting much more time. And first of all, you can see the amazing look of its homepage, and you can completely change all these details and images from admin panel, and it's completely controllable from admin. So here you can see the button of play now, and by clicking it you can play different lotteries. Here you can see the about us section, you can add about yourself from admin. Here you can see the different lottery tickets online, and you can buy any lottery ticket by clicking purchase now, but first of all you have to create an account. So here you can see view all the plans or tickets of lottery by clicking view all. So you can see the completely animated look of this site, and here you can see the latest celebrating jackpot and discover, and you can see all the top winners from here. So winners will be shown right here in this section, and this is the footer section of this website. So let's go back to our home page. So these are some other features of the site. Here you can see you can insert pictures from admin panel, you can insert client feedbacks. Here are the latest blogs. You can also insert blogs from admin panel, and this is the footer section. Basically you can completely change it from admin panel. You don't need any coding knowledge to change it. You can easily change it by a single click. So it's completely manageable site, and you will get our complete support if you buy it from us, and we will give it to you on a very reasonable price and very low price from market. So to create an account, you just have to click on register accounts, and you can easily register on this website. And this is the register page. And now we already have an account, so we are not gonna register on this site. So we will just click on login, and we will log into our existing account. So here I have to enter my email, and here I have to enter my email here, and here I have to enter my password. And after entering this detail, when I click on I am not a robot, here I have to fill the captcha, and when I click on login, it will redirect me to my user panel. So you can see the amazing user panel of this website, and let me show you, it is completely in a mobile app view, so mobile users can easily use it, and this is how it looks like in a mobile, and mobile users can easily use this in their mobile. So this is how mobile users can use them. So here you can see your total purchase ticket, total wins, total pending withdrawals, total draw, transactions, total coins, and here you can see your total balance. To purchase a coin or deposit coin, you just have to click on purchase coin, and by using any of the gateways, so you can see multiple payment gateways, you can purchase coins on the website. Here cash out is a withdraw section. Here you can easily withdraw using bank transfer or any other. You can insert any gateway you want from admin panel, and you can turn off any other. So it completely depends upon you. It has many auto gateways and very many manual gateways as well you can create on this website. So here you can see pending draws, total purchase ticket. So by clicking purchase ticket, you can see the purchase tickets right here. Here you can see total winning history, purchase coins history, cash out history, transactions. Here you can also use it as affiliate marketing. You can see your referral links. So this is your referral link right here. We can refer the different people from using this link, and we can also earn bonus over it. Here is support ticket, two-factor authentication, my profile, change password, and logout option. So let's go to this website, and let me show you how you can purchase different tickets on the site. And so let's go to purchase online, and here for example, if I want to purchase this ticket, I can easily purchase this ticket by clicking purchase now. So here you can see that here you have to quick pick, and you can purchase this. You have to click on buy ticket, and you can easily buy this ticket. and here you can see that we have successfully buy the ticket. So similarly you can buy the tickets easily, and you can use it as a lottery investment website. Now let's click on log out and let's go to our admin panel, and let's see how we can control this website from admin panel. So let's go to our admin panel. So here I have to enter my admin link, and here you can see that our details are inserted right here. So when I click on I am not a robot, fill the captcha, and when I click on login, it will redirect me to my admin panel. So this is our amazing admin panel of this lottery investment website. So first of all, on this admin dashboard here you can see your total users of this website, active users, email unverified user, total coin deposit, total tickets sold, given prices, profits, graphs related to investments in lotteries. You can see all the things right here. Here you can see your total notification of registration right here. Here you can change the admin details from this section, and from pending draws here you can approve different draws, and you can click on draw now to draw. Here you can click on draw now to draw the lottery, and from manage lottery, when I click on lotteries here you can create as many as lotteries you want. For example, if I want to create a new lottery ticket, I can create a lottery ticket by filling these simple details from here, and I can easily edit the existing ones. And here are the phases. You can see you can create or add new phases from here as well. So from coin requests you can see all the requests of users, and you can approve them from here. So these are basically the deposit requests. You can approve them or reject them from here. From manage referrals you can set up different levels of referral of lottery commission or lottery purchase commission from here, and here you can manage all the users. So let me click on active users, and you can manage all the users. You can add balances to their account, you can edit them from here. You can ban them, you can verify their KYC, balance, all the things from here. And here are the payment gateway option. When I click on automatic payment gateways, so there are 25 plus auto gateways. You can insert your own gateway you want, or you can disable these gateways. From manual gateway you can create any manual gateway from here. So if you want to create a gateway for manual transaction, you can create a manual gateway from here. Here is a manual payment option. You can approve the payments or reject the payments of users. And here is same case with withdraw. You can approve withdrawal requests, you can create withdrawal methods, and you can reject the withdrawal request of users. From support ticket you can answer different tickets of users from here. So let's go to general settings, and from general setting basically you can change the site title, coin name, site symbol. So coin name basically you can change the currency of this website. You can convert it to any currency you want. Here you can change the site base colors. So from coin instruction you can manage the coin instruction, you can write them from here. From system configuration basically you can turn on off different settings of this website, such as email notification, KYC, force password secure, etc. All these things you can manage from here. From logo and favicon you can change the logo and favicon of this site, and you can insert your own logo. From social credentials you can manage all the social credentials on the site, and you can insert your own credential instead of random details. From extensions you can insert external extensions such as Google reCAPTCHA and other extensions. From language you can insert any language you want, so you can use any local language you want easily. So from SEO manager you can manage SEO. From notification you can manage all the notification, email settings, SMS settings from here. From manage templates you can manage the templates. From manage pages you can manage all the pages that are on your home page. And from manage section you can edit any section you want. As I told you, you can edit completely from admin panel. So for example, if you want to change the banner section, so you can change this banner image, you can change all the banner heading, text, everything that is on banners, you can change it. And similarly you can edit all the sections that are on your home page. So you don't need any coding knowledge to change anything. You can completely manage it from here, from admin panel. So don't waste your time and buy this script. And if you need the complete website, we also build the complete websites on a very reasonable price. So this is the general overview of this website. Now thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and also share this video with your friends and other people who need this type of lottery websites.